welcome to the Mag Cave, the small workshop. It's a 12 by 8 shed, but this part's only 8 by 8. It's like a reverse TARDIS, just because next door I've got more of a proper shed rather than the workshop. Something rather magnificent just arrived. Yes, the acrylic. It looks really nice. A little bit about me, the mad scientist behind the electronics and stuff. Building, this will be the amplifier for the TARDIS. What's this? It's a low pass filter for this sub amp board. I've been making a little circuit today for 24 volts to 5 volt or 12 volt conversion for all of this thing. It's a bit of a messy workbench. There's our controller. There's my Raspberry Pi. I'm just powering it off my power supply for now. 24 volts times 2 for 48 volts. We're drawing about 0.3 of an amp. And that hum in the background, I'm only doing a slow RPM for the test. Will be our motor. So yeah, quite pleased. Still got to get it working with the Hall effect sensor, so it senses it, so it knows the exact positioning if it loses its positioning in step count. Computer, it's saying what the code is doing. It's gone past the 0 point on the Hall effect, and it stops 180 degrees right at the bottom, so the timer stops right at its lowest point. And once it stops at its lowest point, we play the scene out. We want to start going through time and space again. Push it, and there we are. And it will just keep revolving and revolving until a button is pressed. Might add some timer functionality to it, so with another button press it runs for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, or we put it on a variable rotary encoder, so we can vary the time from about 10 seconds to a couple of minutes of the time rotor going up and down, while people reenact the scene of their favourite episode. Oh no, emergency stop. There we go, emergency stop. Oh no, we're off again. Let's stop the rotor at its maximum height. Donk. Oh, let's go again. And stop it at its lowest height. And that should come around again. Sense the Hall effect sensor, which is in this thing. That's sensed. Little LED came on. And it stops at its lowest height. I think that's pretty cool. I've used some AI scripting to help the code. But where's the top of the code? There's the top of the code. So all of this code makes that possible. Pretty cool. I'm happy it's working at last. It's only taken a few days, but we're there, or I'm there. Either way.